Need tips for using your Amazon Alexa? Join Lucy on All About Lady A on the second Thursday of the month for simple tricks to get the most out of your A-Lady device. Listen on the Unmute Presents podcast feed. See you there. Oh yeah, did I mention? You can also check out unmute.show for all past episodes and to get more information about what we've got going on. This is the Shell Phone Show, showing you how to do something on the BlindShell Classic 2. Thanks to Club Unmute, unmute.show.
Yeah, what's up once again, peoples? This is your man Adrian, aka Druzza. Just come out doing another quick demo for the Shell Phone Show. Now, this particular demonstration, I'm going to be showing the Amazon Alexa app, aka Lady A, specifically on the BlindShell Classic 2. You're probably familiar with smart speakers, and we probably already got quite a few around our homes anyway, whether it be an Amazon Echo Dot or Echo Studios. You already know we use the Lady A wake word to trigger those speakers if we want to ask it a question or set a timer or anything like that. So it's pretty much going to be the same thing on the Classic 2. The difference is we're just going to be speaking to the Lady A app on the BlindShell itself. The first thing you need to do is go inside the app catalog and download and install the Lady A app, aka Amazon Alexa. And once you install it, it's going to install inside the Tools folder and inside the Online folder. And once you open it up for the first time, you will need to log in with your email and password credentials that you have for your Amazon account. That's assuming that you already made an Amazon account beforehand. But once you get past all that, you'll be ready to go. All right, we're going to go ahead and jump right into this. We got quite a few different ways how we can open up the Lady A app. You can either go to it manually through the menus. Once again, that's through your Tools folder, located inside the Online folder. Or if you have it saved in your favorites, you can pull it up with that side button. And the third way is just using voice dictation. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Press and hold the right button. Alexa.
Opening Amazon Alexa.
So it's open. And I'm just going to use my up and down bars to maneuver through this app.
First item.
And the setting you want to hear is
Alexa suggestions. Picked from your recent visits. Tap or say, Alexa.
Tap or say Lady A right there. So you can either use the wake word to trigger this setting right here, or you can just press the OK button. That's the button number 1 to actually open up this setting, and you won't have to say the wake word. So I'm going to use the wake word real quick right here on this setting. Let's get it.
Type with Alexa.
What time is it?
The time is 7:22 p.m. Amazon tap or say, Alexa.
Let's get it.
Type with Alexa.
What's the weather?
The current weather is 49 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. You can expect more of the same tonight, with a low of 44 degrees.
Let's get it. What's today's date?
It's Friday, November 15th.
Okay, for that example, I just used the wake word saying Lady A while I'm inside this app. Like I said, the second way is you can just press the OK button when you're on that setting. So I'm going to up and down bar until I get back to it.
Friday, November. First item. Close.
Let me close that, press the OK button.
Close. Tap or say, Alexa.
Okay. I'm going to press the OK button on this. And this time I'll be able to just ask a question without saying the wake word.
Type with Alexa.
What's the capital of California?
California's capital is Sacramento. Close. Tap or say, Alexa.
Okay, I'm about to press the OK button again. I'm on the setting once again.
Type with Alexa.
When did George Washington pass away?
George Washington died on December 14, 1799 at the age of 67 years.
Okay, let's do one more.
Close.
I'm going to close that, press OK.
Close. Tap or say, Alexa.
And once again, I'm just pressing my OK button when I'm on the setting right here.
Type with Alexa.
How old is Shaquille O'Neal?
Shaquille O'Neal is 52 years old and was born on March 6, 1972. Close.
I just hit down bar on close and I press OK to close that.
Close. Tap or say, Alexa.
So like I said, you can either use the wake word Lady A to trigger it to ask a question, or if you're on this setting, you can just press the OK button. That's the button number 1 to open it up, and you don't have to say the wake word before you ask the question. Now, I know some people are going to ask, can you change the wake word inside Lady A on the BlindShell? We cannot. You can only use the Lady A wake word on the BlindShell. So unlike your Echo Dots or anything like that, that got those 4 other wake words, whether it be Echo, Computer, Ziggy, Amazon, You can't use those other 4 wake words. You can only use Lady A. So watch this. I'm about to ask her real quick.
Alexa suggest tap or say, Alexa.
Let's go.
Type with Alexa.
Change wake word.
Sorry, changing the wake word is not supported on this device. Tap or say, Alexa.
So we're not able to change that on Lady A. We cannot change the wake word like the way how we're able to do on our Amazon Echo Dot speakers. We can change the voice. We can do that. Let's go. Change voice.
Type with Alexa. I have a few voices to choose from. Here is the first one.
There's an official league for rock, paper, scissors. If you want to play sometime, I'm game.
Would you like to choose that one or hear another?
Hear another one.
Here is the second one.
Koalas have fingerprints, and they're very similar to a human's.
Would you like to choose that one or hear another?
Hear another one.
Here is the third one.
The kiwi is the only bird in the world with nostrils on the tip of its beak.
Would you like to choose that one or hear another?
Choose that one.
Okay. You're all set. I'll be the voice you hear when you speak to this device.
So now when I ask a question,
Tap or say, Alexa.
let's go.
Type with Alexa.
When's the next game of the Indianapolis Colts?
The Colts and the Jets will face off in the Sunday night football game on Sunday, November 17th at 1 p.m. The game will be shown on CBS.
And you hear how I just responded back in that new voice that I changed it to? So you can change the voice on the BlindShell inside this Lady A app. So that's a simple demo using Lady A on the BlindShell real quick. So you're pretty much asking questions like the way how you ask your Echo speaker throughout your home. You just got to go in, open up the app, and then ask Lady A, or you can just tap on that button using the pressing the OK button. Now, I didn't maneuver through any of those settings because sometimes, like I said, the Lady A app on the BlindShell can be a little fidgety sometimes, skipping and jumping through there a little bit. Most times I go in, maybe ask a question, set a timer, turn on and off Echo device I got connected or something like that. But I usually keep it simple, get in, get out, and call it a day. So that's the Lady A app. Y'all try to experiment with that when you get a chance. I'll be back in another one showing a couple of other different stuff I actually use, using my Lady A on my BlindShell with a couple of other devices that I have around my home. So any questions on that, just hit me up at drizzle17 at att.net, at DRIZA17 at att.net. Peace.
Thanks for listening to today's Shell Phone Show. We hope you'll catch us back next time to learn something about the BlindShell Classic 2. Did you know you can get more helpful content like this? Visit unmute.show for podcast content and to learn about Club Unmute. Thanks to Andre Louis and his shorts collection for the music used in this content.